how to fix PNB app crash on login. If you're facing the app crash issue while logging in on PNB, it is fairly simple to do so. First of all, if you're trying to log in, make sure that you have allowed all the access that the PNB app requires, and also ensure that you have got a very stable internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. You also want to make sure that your username and password, which are your credentials, are entered correctly, because due to the incorrectness also, your app could be crashing. If you're using iPhone, you can simply open up settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage option over here, and from iPhone storage you can search for the PNB Bank application. So you can tap on the show all button if you don't find it, and let me just go ahead and then search for that specific banking application over here. And when you do find the banking app, you can simply try to go ahead and then offload that particular app. Now, after you've offloaded as well, you can go to your app store and search for PNB mobile banking and check if the PNB digital bank has an update available. And if it does, then do make sure to update it to the latest version. So hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.